learn some colors and shapes. Green color, pink color, dark pink color, light yellow color, olive green color, yellow color, pink color, maroon color, sea green color, sky blue color, purple color, black color, orange color, blue color, black color. Let's draw the shape. Square. Heart. Circle. Octagon. Star. Triangle. Purple color. Square. Square. Purple color. Sea green color. Heart. Heart. Sea green color. Light yellow color. Circle. Circle. Light yellow color. Red color. Octagon. Octagon. Red color. Olive green color. Star. 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 Olive green color. Pink color. Triangle. Triangle. Pink color. Purple color. Sea green color. Light yellow color. Red color. Olive green color. Pink color. Square. Heart. Circle. Octagon. Star. Triangle. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.